Two things get me to the door faster than anything. A, the doorbell, and B, knowing my pizza is outside getting cold while the delivery app says, hand it to the customer. At least now a doorbell camera can save me the awkward hallway sprint. That's where the Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro comes in. It is built for home security, package alerts, and keeps an eye on the front door while you're away, busy, or pretending you didn't hear the door. Today I am reviewing the Vivint Doorbell Camera, features, specs, app, and installation, and giving a straight take on whether it deserves a spot by your front door. Before I start poking at the hardware, I've got a unique Vivint offer for a free quote. You can book your first consultation with a smart home specialist through the link in the description or this handy dandy QR code that's on screen right now. Alright, let's cat on with the review. The Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro is a wired smart doorbell with detection, and it can tell the difference between people, packages, and motion. So the alerts always tell you more than something moved near your porch. One big thing to know up front is that it is part of the Vivint system. The whole process starts with a call, consultation, and then professional installation. The doorbell works with the Vivint app, control panel, and other Vivint security devices. Inside, we've got the camera unit itself. It is compact, 5.7 by 1.7 by 1.4 inches. Therefore, it is not going to take over your doorway. The build feels solid, and the front LED ring is right here. That is part of the smart Deter, which I'll come back to in a moment. You also get the metal mounting backplate with the wire terminals for doorbell power. It feels sturdy and built for a fixed front door setup. Now we've got the hardware on the table. This is where the Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro separates itself from the average front door cam. First, smart Deter. Vivint uses AI and radar-powered detection to tell the difference between a person, a package, a passing car, and random movements, like the neighborhood cat. So your home security system gets smarter alerts instead of turning every leaf into a tiny front porch emergency. Second, package detection. When a delivery lands on your door, the camera can notify you. If the package gets picked up later by someone suspicious, the camera can trigger the deterrent response. And the deterrent response is the fun part. The LED ring lights up, and the 90 decibel speaker can fire off a sound to make the person very, very aware they have been spotted. It's a very smile, you're on porch cam, which I appreciate deeply. You also get custom detection zones, so you can block out the sidewalk, the street, or your neighbor's driveway. And then there's the 180 by 180 degree field of view, which gives you a full view from face left down to packages all the way on the ground. Another quick pause before we get nerdy with the specs. The free quote offer is still live. Use the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to set up your first consultation with the Vivint specialists and see how this fits your home. Now for the spec speedrun. The camera uses a 1664 by 1664 sensor with 2x HDR, then outputs at 1080p so it can handle tricky lighting, like harsh sun behind someone at the door or a porch light blasting the frame at night. For darkness, you get 850 nanometer infrared LEDs, and they are there for full night visibility. Connectivity is also solid, 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth and NFC, so setup and connection stability get a nice boost. The speaker hits 90 decibels, which gives smart Deter some bite, and the built-in microphone has ambient noise cancellation for cleaner two-way talk. The recording covers 10 to 90 second event clips, and with Vivint Playback you can get 24/7 recording for up to 10 days. You also get 8 to 10 seconds of pre-roll, so you can see the lead up before an alert triggers. And finally, it's IP33 rated, so regular outdoor exposure and handling rain is covered. Now, the installation of the Vivint system might feel different from basically anything else. The Doorbell Camera Pro is wired, so it uses your doorbell wiring for power. If you already have a wired doorbell, a Vivint technician typically just swaps it in and connects it during setup. If you don't have wiring in the right spot, the technician can help with placement, wiring, and power. Vivint also has self-install instructions, so manual setup is possible, but most people will go through Vivint home security installation process with the help of a dedicated professional. There may be an installation fee depending on the offer. The upside is constant power, steady connection, no battery charging, and fewer recording interruptions. With Vivint Playback, you can review continuous footage, jump through smart clips, and even use event markers. Premium chimes are also there if playback DVR is active. Tiny bonus feature, but hey, seasonal doorbell sounds are how suburbia heals. So, my verdict then. The Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro makes sense if you want your doorbell camera to do more than record clips. Smart Deter, package detection, pre-roll, continuous playback, and that wide 180-degree view all push it toward active front door monitoring. It also plugs into the bigger Vivint ecosystem. Sensors, smart locks, motion detectors, thermostats, all managed in the same app. For anyone searching Vivint Ring doorbell options, this is the best for frequent deliveries, travel, or a front door you want monitored in the background. So don't wait and check the deal in the description below, or scan the QR code to set up your first Vivint call and start securing your home. And that's my take on the Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro. Drop your thoughts in the comments, tell me what smart home gear I should test next, and check out more CTZ videos while you're here.